Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set a theme on your Realme mobile. Before you continue this video, please subscribe the channel. And now let's start the video. First we have to go from the apps of this theme. Then this theme they come so many here. You choose it what themes you want, like this one, like this one. Then you have to download it. Download. If you finish to download, then apply here. Then on your mobile wallpaper, they become here this theme successfully on the screen. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and do not forget to click the bell icon. And thanks for watching this video.